Hey, I'm Brandon with Cycle Gear, and I've got my Cardo Packtalk Bold JBL headset as well as my Sedici Strata Primo helmet. And today we're here to take a closer look at how to install your Bluetooth communication system. Now, for those of you out there looking into purchasing a Bluetooth communication system, but maybe you had some questions about the installation process, hopefully this video will address those questions and really demonstrate just how easy it is to install these communication devices. Now, while I'm utilizing the Cardo Packtalk Bold for the installation process, this information is going to be applicable across the board. So whether you're purchasing a Sena, a Cardo, or any other brand out there on the market, this is something that is going to be beneficial because they all pretty much mount the same way. Now, the first thing that I like to do, I like to lay everything out that I'm going to use before I start diving in. Now, in front of me, I have the communication unit. I have the clamp associated with mounting the communication unit, the speakers, the adhesive supplied in the kit to properly mount the speakers, as well as the boom microphone. Now, one note that I wanted to make about the microphone. There's a lot of manufacturers out there that are going to supply you with both a boom microphone as well as a wired microphone. If you are utilizing a modular helmet, you're going to want to stick with that boom microphone. Otherwise, the wired mic is not going to allow you to lift the chin bar. Just one note I wanted to make for you there. Now, keep in mind, we have over 140 store locations nationwide. Our gear experts are in store. They are more than happy to help you out with the installation process and help you address any questions you might have along the way. Now, once you have everything laid out on the table, the next step in the process, I like to remove the cheek pads from the helmet. I think it simply makes accessing the inside of the helmet and installing the components a bit easier. Once you have the cheek pads removed, you will grab the clamp and position this where you want the communication system to sit. This is something you can easily adjust later if you wish to do so. Then grab the communication system itself and install the unit onto the clamp and make sure that everything is secure there. The next step in the process is going to be associated with the speakers. Go ahead and grab the adhesive supplied in your kit for the speakers and install those in the recessed area inside your helmet. Of course, your speakers will be mounted on top of the adhesive to keep everything in place. You can then start installing the speakers themselves. You'll notice that one of the speaker wires is shorter than the other. The speaker with the shorter wire will be mounted on the side closest to the communication system. The other speaker will be mounted on the other side, and any excess material can be tucked away in the liner or perhaps the neck roll, as these are often a good spot for that additional wiring. The microphone is really the last piece of the puzzle when it comes to the installation process. You'll want to plug in the microphone and snake it around to the front of the chin bar at your talking point. Once you have a good position, then grab some additional Velcro and make sure that everything is nice and secure. From this point, you can go ahead and reinstall your cheek pads back into the helmet and start cleaning up that excess wiring. Once you have everything installed, turn on the communication system and make sure that everything is functioning properly. If you feel the sound is a bit faint with the volume all the way up, try making some small adjustments to the speaker locations. Sometimes moving them a bit forward or a bit backward can make all the difference for you there. And that's going to wrap things up for the installation process. Hopefully this video will address any questions you might have and make you feel more confident about installing your Bluetooth communication system. But if you're looking for more details, feel free to click the info button on your desktop or mobile device, and that will take you to cyclegear.com. Or you can always head to one of our 140 store locations nationwide and check out these Bluetooth communication systems and talk about the installation process in person with one of our gear experts. Thanks for taking a closer look at how to install your Bluetooth communication system. I'm Brandon. We'll see you just around the corner.